Hey, small business owners, have you recently launched your website on the Mighty Sites platform and you want to make it more customized to your preference and make it a little bit more suited to your local business? Today, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. I'm going to be showing you how to customize the photos and add new images to your website. Let's jump in. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, Mighty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. Perhaps you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you haven't launched a website yet. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. See how well Mighty Sites works for you and your small business. So I've already launched a website on the Mighty Sites platform for my burger food truck. I want to make it a bit more customized. I want to add my own images, or at least change the images that were pre-selected. That's what makes Mighty Sites a little bit different from other website builders. We literally have pre-selected images for you. They're completely free for you to use and pre-written content specific to the market that you've selected. So let me show you how easy it is. That looks absolutely delicious, by the way. Let me show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website and change those images. For each section that you'd like to change the image and upload one of your own images or select a new image, just click on update section here on the left underneath update image. You have the option to upload your images by clicking on browse device. Great, it's now going to be upload my new image. You can edit that image by clicking on the little pencil icon to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. You can zoom in as well. Otherwise, if you're happy with that image, you can click on save. There we go. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with the click of a button and perhaps pull in those photos if you have a profile for your business on Instagram. If you don't have any images, maybe you've recently launched your business, we've got you covered. All you need to do is search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. They're all really high quality. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone. And of course, they're all completely free to use, as I mentioned. Just change the keywords to find suitable images for your business. Great. All you need to do is select them, click on select photo, save image selection, and there we go. Your new images have been uploaded. How easy was that to make any changes to your brand new website? If you have any questions about Mighty Sites, pop them down below. And don't forget, there is that free trial available for 7 days. Give it a go, see how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. You certainly don't need to be very tech savvy, and you don't need to know any website coding, and you definitely don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. It's that simple. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from a smartphone. All the best.